Aight, listen me now. Imagine if Naruto never grew up in a no hidden leaf village, but him grew up right here so a Jamaica. Same Nine Tails power, same underdog story, but different culture, different vibe, different energy. Today, we are reason how it would actually work. Serious, no joke. Inspired by the world of Naruto. The village. Instead of hidden leaf village, you have one hidden community up in the hills them above Kingston. Tight community. Everybody know everybody. Respect important. Leader name Yardkage. You still have ninja them protecting the place. Still have academy where train the youth them. Only difference? It feel Jamaican, zinc fence, corner shop, strong community energy. But behind all of that, serious warrior training a guan. The Nine Tails duppy. In the original show, Naruto have the nine-tailed fox inside him. That fox inspired by Kurama. But in a Jamaica, it wouldn't just be fox. It would be one ancient duppy spirit. Powerful, golden, dangerous. Years ago, it attacked the village. The leader sacrificed himself and sealed the spirit inside one little baby. That baby, Naruto Brown. Inspired by Naruto Uzumaki. Story still makes sense. Nothing changed. Just the culture behind it. Boy, Naruto struggle. Now picture this. You are grow up in one small Jamaican community and everybody a watch you strange. Them whisper when you pass. Them keep them distance. In a small place like Jamaica, that hurt more because everybody know your business. But Naruto still loud, still energetic, still say him go become Yardkage one day. Him just want respect. And that part universal. Sasuke's role, inspired by Sasuke Uchiha. Sasuke still quiet, still talented, still carrying family pain. Him driven by revenge. Naruto driven by acceptance. That rivalry still strong no matter what country you put them in. Would it actually work? Yes, because Naruto's story no depend on Japan alone. It about struggle, loneliness, brotherhood, earning respect, and Jamaica culture already built upon community, strength, reputation, spiritual belief. So it wouldn't feel forced. It would feel natural. So me ask uno this. Would you no watch Naruto, Hidden Yard Chronicles, and who no think would rule Jamaica? Naruto Brown or Sasuke Blake? Drop it in the comments. If you want more anime reimagined yard style, me ready for build it.